Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Times. I'm your host for today, Ashmita Chatterjee from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department at Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Today I'm here with my professor, Mrs. Shoma Chattopadhyay. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome to Tech Times. So ma'am, I would like to ask you some questions regarding our department. Firstly, why do you think a student should choose Electronics and Communication Department at NSCC?
Oh, it's a very good question. Uh, Ashmita asked me one question. After completing your HS or the plus two, 10 plus 2, you must study the ECE, and obviously in our college, that is Netaji Subhash Engineering College, because the ECE is a blending of the software and hardware. And now the industry, if you want to go to the software industry, you will get help from our EC. There are several subjects that helps us to build your career in the software domain as well as in the hardware also, as this is the one of the mother subject with the electrical, mechanical and the civil. Electronics build your hardware career also. Studying this, you can have the civil, you can have the electrical, you can have the mechanical, defense, you can fix or fit you in several DRDO, VAIL, ISRO, many companies, and in you can think yourself as one of the nation builder if you study the electronics and telecommunication.
Now, ma'am, I would like to know more about the higher studies opportunities offered at Netaji Subhash Engineering College, especially in our department of ECE.
This college, the Netaji Subhash Engineering College, which is the one of the oldest colleges of the Techno India group, we have a rich placement record, and that has to be the highest one among the all. And the private colleges, among all private colleges, NACC always score a good record in this case of placement. You can study the research and the development industry. You have the EC students there, and with this the GATE, GRE, or you have the PhD opportunity in many colleges in this India and abroad. Our students all are flourishing and making us proud globally in every domain of this industry and the engineering.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, on the topic of placements, since that is what we were talking about, could you please comment on the notable alumni of our department?
It's from Silicon Valley to Singapore, Japan to Germany, or everywhere our alumni there. Several universities have the EC alumni as professors. So the Wipro, the TCS, the Qualcomm, the Intel, the core companies always have our EC component. And we are very proud to announce that our journey from 1998, we are stepping stone in every area of this world.
So, ma'am, in our college, we have had IC classes in which we were allotted coaches who had taught us various different soft skills. So, ma'am, is there something you would like to comment on that, on how the process came to be?
Yes, I think you have also done the class, and you have noticed that apart from this soft skill, they are fit you, they are make you well groomed and in industry fitted one, and they help you to write how to write the report or
Yes.
many soft skill things. So you are good, means the students are very good having this IC1, and we have a good feedback that image coaching should be continued and has to be included in our curriculum.
It's true. We were made to showcase our public speaking skills, and we were made to communicate in a very good way. So I am very grateful personally to the image coaching that has been provided by NSCC. If I were to speak on behalf of a lot of my classmates as well as obviously myself too, ma'am, is there anything you would like to say about our placements or what I should be doing as a student to secure a good placement? from this college. We do get a lot of opportunities from our college, internships and everything. So, ma'am, would you like to elaborate on that?
Yes, that is the very crucial one, because you are studying the BTech, and this degree is the thing that we got quickest placement through this BTech. What I say, study hard, follow your curriculum, do internship. This is a very must thing, and we have a very rich placement training and placement sale in this Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Consult them; they will surely guide you to the right path.
So, everyone, this was Mr. Soma Chattopadhyay of our department, a very favorite professor of mine. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your time. So, everyone, what are you waiting for? Come join Netaji Subhash Engineering College, and especially our department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, to build your career. Thank you.